When pulling out of cross-parking spaces, identifying moving objects at the rear is often challenging. The rear cross-traffic collision avoidance system supports our customers in these driving situations. Let's start from the beginning. The RCCA uses radar instead of ultrasonic sensors at the vehicle's rear. Let's go back to the situation. As soon as customers start reversing from a parking space, the radar sensors monitor the area behind the vehicle. If the reverse gear is engaged and the exiting vehicle is in a speed range between 0 and 8 km per hour, the approaching vehicle is detected, assuming it is traveling faster than 5 km per hour. When a car is detected, a visual warning will appear in the instrument cluster along with an auditory warning. If the driver does not brake, the RCCA brakes the Sportage automatically and avoids a potential accident. The rear cross-traffic collision avoidance. A guardian angel watching your back?